The City of Frisco department, responsible for water, sewer, and streets, plus trash and recycling, is excited about its updated and expanded home. Frisco Public Works rededicates its facility nearly 20 years after it originally opened.
3, 2, 1.
In 2005, Frisco Public Works dedicated its facility off Research Road. It was built to hold 150 staff members, but Public Works has grown tremendously since then.
It does speak to just the growth of this community, of course, being the fastest growing city in the country over this period.
As we look forward, we stand in front of a newly renovated building. We not only celebrate the past contributions, but we also celebrate new beginnings.
The project repurposed current buildings, plus constructed new, and the front of the original building received an updated look.
And a lot of times the work that Public Works does goes unnoticed. The streets, the sewer, the water, and it takes all the work and dedication that's going to happen in this building to actually pull it off.
More space was created for employees to work on computers and gather for meetings.
They love it. I think seeing the new space has been eye-opening, and just the amount of space that we have for employees, future employees, for growth. It's been a nice transition.
And a larger training room will accommodate more than 80 people and allow for regional training classes.
From a city's perspective, long-term helps us get to us where we need to be in 20 years. So Frisco is still a rapidly growing city, adding staff, adding equipment. So this site is going to have future phases of growth.
A new piece of art was installed at the entrance to the facility parking lot. And the city's first public art project, a stained glass mural displayed in the original building's lobby, remains.
It's beautiful. It's a very modern building, catering to employees' needs. I think this would be a great place to work. Lots of sunlight, incorporated open spaces, meeting spaces. It's just going to be a great place to come to work every day.
The entire project cost about $18 million and was mostly paid for with voter-approved bonds.
Let us use this momentum of the moment to push us to the next level of excellence and remain diligent in our commitment to core values. Let us embrace this new chapter with optimism and enthusiasm, and here's to an exciting journey ahead.